In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen and accessing it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner of it and tap on Split View in the pop-up. Now click on the second app, and as you can see, I can use both at once. To go back from this mode, hold this line in the middle and drag one of them all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!